oh Lord. Good Shepherd, we look to you. When my strength is gone and I feel alone, when the night is long and the road is cold, you call my name, you draw me near. In every fear, I know you're here. Through valleys deep where shadows fall, when I can't see the way at all, your voice is calm, it leads me through. I put my trust, my hope in you. You never leave fair. Your loving afraid. You lead me beside still waters. You restore my soul again. You are my good shepherd, my refuge and my stay. Even in the darkest valley, I will trust you all my day. When my heart is tired, worn by pain, when I carry guilt, sorrow, shame, you lift my head, you call me yours. Your grace is more than I deserve. You lay me down in peaceful rest. You quiet storms inside my chest. Your rod and staff, they comfort me. Your faithful love keeps covering. I hear your voice, it calls my name. I follow you, you are the way. You are my good shepherd, I will not be afraid. You lead me beside still waters, you restore my soul again. You are my good shepherd, my refuge and my stay. Even in the darkest valley, I will trust you all my day. You laid your life down for the sheep. Your love is strong, your mercy deep. You know my heart, you know my pain, yet still you call me by my name. No height, no depth can pull me away from your hands that guide my way. Forever safe, forever sure, in you my hope is secure. I hear your voice, and I will follow. I know your voice, and I will trust. I hear your voice, above the noise you lead me on. Good shepherd, Lord, you're my shepherd, I will not be afraid. You lead me beside still waters, you restore my soul again. You are my good shepherd, my refuge and my stay. Even in the darkest valley, I will trust you all my day. Good shepherd, lead me home all my days. I belong to you. Good shepherd, I trust you, I trust you.